Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elisha, and here on this channel we talk about all of my favorite things, be that may fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and motherhood. I am starting Vlogmas off with a bang. Not really, but I just wanted to say hi and welcome to Vlogmas 2025. We're going to be doing a lot this month, and I'm starting early so that I have all the energy that I need to give you guys everything. So, first things first, obviously, is Christmas decor. So that's what this video is going to be. We're going to be putting up our Christmas tree in this video. I'm also going to do a little bit of Christmas browsing because there is like a little bit of things that I do want to get. I really don't buy a lot of Christmas things each year because I have all the things. I keep all my decor from the year before, but there are a few things that I do need to get that I want to see if I can purchase in person, and if not, I'll probably buy them online. But just wanted to intro Vlogmas, and yeah, this is Vlogmas day 1. I'm gonna do 25 days. I'm gonna try my hardest to go all the way up to the actual Christmas day. I did this once before, but I only did 12 days, and I gave y'all a Christmas morning update on the actual Christmas day, Christmas evening. So I'm gonna try to do that again. I have a lot of Vlogmas plans, so if you're interested or love Vlogmas or love Christmas content, be sure to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to chat with me in the comments. I would hate for you to watch and not talk to me in the comments. I hate that, but we're going to be posting daily. That is the goal. I don't know what time I will be posting every day, but I will put a post in the community tab. I just have to figure out what works for me. It will probably be 7 p.m. every day because that just gives me enough time to make sure I have all my descriptions and links and things like that, and to make sure I can serve you guys the best. 7 p.m. just works, and 7 is one of my favorite numbers. Yeah, we love Christmas here. Christmas is my favorite holiday, and yeah, I have a lot of things planned, so I hope you enjoy my Vlogmas 2025, spending it with me and my family. And yeah, please let me know if you enjoy today's video, and thanks for being here. Merry Christmas. Mind you guys, I am working and I'm very much under the weather, but we will be going shopping after this. I just wanted to say hi and intro the vlog. I also will be doing an office reveal sometime soon in this Vlogmas month. I know in my channel I did a office cleanup and I still haven't showed you guys the full reveal, so that will happen in this Vlogmas at some point. There's some more things we need to do around the flooring. We need to put a marble slab on the outside, and I'm actually getting some new doors, so I want to give you like a full rundown. I'm also putting some artwork or a clock right there. So the reveal will happen at the end of the month. I do want to finish this room out by the end of month. So yeah, I hope to show you guys that, but I am a little bit under weather. I just wanted to say that if you could tell how nasally I sounded in the intro, but I am working, so I do need to get back to work. But we will be on our way to some Christmas decor very soon, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me, and we're gonna look at all the cute things, which I've already kind of started doing, but that you guys saw in Vlogtober, because they put out Christmas stuff way before Halloween, and I love that for me. So yeah, I want to head out to the stores before all the things are gone, so we're probably just gonna go to Walmart and possibly Hobby Lobby later. So I will chat with you later. Bye. Before, say Merry Christmas. Guys, unfortunately, it's been a few days later since I introed Vlogmas. It's Saturday. It is actually Vlogmas day 1, we're gonna call this, and you guys saw me this morning put up my tree. It's time. So we're going to at home just to get inspired. I love looking at Christmas decorations. I'm not really on the hunt for anything in particular because I really have everything I need. I do want to find some bells, which I've been looking on Amazon. If I don't find any in person today, I'm probably just going to buy the ones that are in my Amazon cart. But I just want to get in the holiday spirit. I am interested in purchasing a little bit of like gingerbread man stuff. I'm kind of into that right now for my living room. And yeah, I also have an idea of like some tartan, like that old school Ralph Lauren type of material to put on my couch in my formal living room. But yeah, we're just gonna go and see what they have. Like I said, I have most of my Christmas decor stuff, but I just want to look around, browse around, see if there's any pieces that I want to add. But I don't want to spend a ton of money. So yeah, we're gonna go do that. And we're at Dunkin' right now. I'm about to get my order. So I will see you guys when we get to our destination. Why do the Dunkin' hash browns taste like meat?
I don't know.
They're so seasoned that they taste like meat, like beef almost. They're like too much for me. I could only eat like one. Yeah, there's a lot of rocks. Come on, let's get on the sidewalk. Yeah, it's right there. You can see it right there. You see you?
Cheese.
What are you telling them your list? I like these too. Oh, the gold. Well, let's see. We'll see if they have any monster gold. Probably. I want bells. I want bells like this, but in gold. Welcome all Grinches. This one right here. so heavy. Okay guys, we had a pretty successful adventure at home. I didn't find any bells. I think I showed you guys the red ones that I found, but I don't want red. I want gold.
Why?
Because they're going on my staircase and red doesn't really match. So I have like this burgundy reddish color that is accented on the stairwell, and I would like gold bells to lay on the little spindles at the ends of my staircase, but I don't have that, so that's the only thing that is missing for me. I did get some ornaments for my tree, for both trees actually, and yeah, there's so many great things in that place. Like, I also bought a rug for my kitchen. I don't know if I'm gonna actually like it, but I want to try to put like a long rug across like the kitchen sink area. We're gonna try it and see if we like it. I got it for 20 bucks. It was on sale, half off, 50% off. Any
Online.
no, yeah, I'm gonna have to buy them from Amazon. Whole time we in the store, Easton like, you can't find it here, just order it on Amazon. And all the grown-ups in there just laughing at him, because why do you even know that?